Welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I am happy to come on and share this great news with you. We will be stepping onto a beautiful carousel full of sales. I will be sharing yarn stores and other companies that may be selling holiday items that you can gift your family or you can buy some for yourself. So sit back, relax, enjoy. And I am going to start with the first one, which is MAXIM. You can mix and match as many items as you want. You could buy one, get one 50% off site-wide. Use the code DEC BOGO. DEC BOGO is the code. It's good through the 23rd of December. I am a MAXIM affiliate, so if you're interested in buying anything from there, please click my link in the description box down below and I'll get a little kickback from that. On to the next one, shall we? It is Hirschner's. So they have free shipping on orders of $35 plus. There is a code. It's Jolly Fun. One word. They have kids crafts, jigsaw puzzles, and of course, they have yarn. So go ahead and check them out at your leisure. Here's Eversoft and some of the Hirschner's worsted yarn that they have available. Here is Old Navy. This is the last day for free shipping plus delivery if you want to get it to your door or someone else's by the 24th. You get an extra 20% off everything if you spend $100 or more. If you're trying to get those last minute gifts, they have 40 to 70% off. Some gifts are as low as $3. This is Yarnspirations. They're doing 40% off site-wide plus free shipping. You can't beat that. Yarnspirations says stay warm with 40% off. If you love Premier Yarns, they're giving away a free bag on $50 orders. Spend $50 this weekend and get a free holiday tote bag. Canadian customers, you get free shipping on orders of $100 or more. Here is some Premier holiday yarn. Here are some hot holiday deals. You can get some bulky yarn for $3. You can get the Serenity chunky tweeds or the chunky solids if you're interested. I think it's a great deal. And here's Temu. Why not? I had to throw it in. Holiday season sales, 90% off. They have an array of different things. You name it, they probably sell it. Here's one of my favorites. This is Knits All Done. He has a new favorite winter yarn. It is called Cloud 9. I love these colors he's showing here. It's 90% brushed superwash merino plus 10% nylon, and it's 164 yards. Some of the reasons why he loves this yarn is because it's soft. Cloud 9 does not shed. You can knit it at multiple gauges from worsted to bulky, and it creates a light, airy, and soft fabric. You can knit those bigger gauge projects and wear them inside without overheating. Next up from Keith of Knits All Done is the Halo 100% Cashmere Yarn Snob Halo. It comes in DK and worsted weight. Is 199 yards. You can see the cocoa, camel, winter, and navy. They are $52 each. Here is electric, violet, aquamarine, castle, and radioactive. Here is Celebrate Halo 100% Cashmere. It is a limited edition for $52. Beautiful rainbow colors, only 6 available. Here is a fave. This is Happiness. Powerball has 500 grams. It is $145. Yes, it has a high sticker price. The fingering Powerball is 500 grams. That's 2,187 yards. And the worsted Powerball is 500 grams and 1,090 yards. They are milled in Italy and dyed in the USA. Here are some more jaw-dropping hanks from Keith. You can check them out and go to Knits All Done whenever you have an opportunity and check out his lovely website. Look at the beautiful colors and where he draws his inspiration. He shows beautiful orchids, and you know they come in an array of different juicy colors, right? So this is what he has to offer us. I love them. I wish I could get them all. Universal Yarn has free shipping on orders of $75 or more in the continental United States only. Be Merry sale. You can buy two and get one free on all of their yarn and kits. Their Be Merry sale starts today through Thursday, December the 26th. They're also having their Flash Pattern Friday. If you're interested, they have the Snowstorm Knit and Kingston Tweed. You can use the code FLASH on Ravelry. It ends on the 26th of December. The pattern was designed by Amy Gunderson. You can also check out Crochet.com. It's their coziest sale of the year. 25% off of their bulky yarns. They also have some other wonderful deals on there and tools that you can check out and or buy. Here is Hobie, and they're having their Christmas Days sale. They always have beautiful yarn. I love working with a lot of it. Here is the Christmas yarns. If you're still interested in buying some, they have some great prices, $3.50, $3.30. Look at these nice, beautiful, rich colors. You can stock up on this Christmas yarn now if you're not going to do any projects or gift anything, and you can use the yarn next year. Look at this Horizon yarn. That is very beautiful. It is a limited edition. My friend Andrea, the owner of the Yarn Club, is having a book signing. The book is called Knitting Van Gogh. So you can knit your own masterpiece. It's inspired by the works of Vincent van Gogh. It will be December 21st between 12 and 4 p.m. It will be book signing and holiday fun. You'll be able to meet the author, which is Krista Ann of Knitsy Knits. And you are welcome to bring cookies to share with Mrs. Claus and the gang at the Yarn Club. I'm not sure if I'm going to go, but if you're in the area and you would like to attend, the address is 2448 Virginia Beach Boulevard in Virginia Beach, Virginia. I definitely want a copy of the book. You can also check out my friend Andrea's The Yarn Club at theyarnclub.com. Here is the colorway. It is very, very beautiful and inviting. I would also like to have a hank of that. I can make a beautiful hat, or I might need to pick up a few just to make a shawl. I think it would make a really nice shawl. Socket Rocket is 400 yards. It's 80% superwash merino and 20% nylon. You can also get a DK weight, 231 yards, which is 100% superwash merino. Chubster, that is 106 yards, 100% superwash merino, and DK Glow, 231 yards. It's 85% superwash merino and 15% nylon. We are going to hop over to Hirschner's and talk about the Lion brand Santa sacks. They say that they are new, and it's a beautiful bag. That's really the only reason why I'd probably buy it. But it's $29.99. This is a drawstring bag. It measures 15 by 16 inches, and you will receive 2 pounds of yarn. That is Lion brand. I'm just showing off some holiday yarn if you're interested. They do have some beautiful colors over on the Hirschner's website. Very nice deals. I love the Holiday Velvet and the Premier Basic. I love the Premier Basic Shimmer. And look at this Celebration Frill. And Merry Socksmiths. That's pretty cool too. Have nice velvety yarns and also the yarn packs. And I love this Witching Hour crochet Afghan kit for $49.99. I couldn't leave out Michael's, so I threw in the Soft and Shiny Solid Yarn by Loops and Threads. It's $3.74. 25% discount, available online only. You can buy one item at regular price and get the second of equal or lesser value half price when you go in the store. Make sure you check the clearance tab, not just for Michael's, but at any store that you're shopping at online. You can also check out their best sellers. I had to spotlight these My Two Ladies shawl pin set. It's 6 pieces. It comes in a set. It shows new. It's $70.16. The regular price is $89.95, but you get 22% off. I saw some great deals on Macy's, so if you order today, you can get it by Christmas. 40 to 60% off. I threw in lipstick. I threw in, who doesn't love a good lipstick? I threw in a few items that I thought you might be interested in. Also some holiday perfume kits as well. This is showing the MAC lipstick. Love those. 20 to 50% off. Nice beauty items. You can shop by top deals. Juicy lip set, Estee Lauder kits, Lancome if you're interested, Clinique if you want to gift some of these. It's not too late. They have some limited time specials, Ralph Lauren kits, nice beautiful gift sets. Here's a 12 Days of Luxury Beauty Advent Kit by Macy's for $84. It would definitely be better than the advent calendar, the gnome advent calendar I got, right? To add in Amazon for our shopping list. I just threw in some bestsellers and a few items. They also sell Yankee candles, which are some of my faves, and I love that balsam, the cedar, the smell of pine. So you can send your last minute Amazon gifts as well. Pair Eyewear is having a friends and family sale up to 20% off of their bestsellers. If you always wanted to get you some sporty glasses, check them out. FURLS Alpha Hooks ship for free, and you can also plant a tree. They will arrive after December 25th, but you can still add them to your collection. They also have gift cards. So if you would like to give someone a gift, you can send it via email. I am a FURLS affiliate, so please use my affiliate link. It's in the description box down below. Joann is having a free open stock ornament with purchase. It's in-store only now through this weekend while supplies last. Joann is introducing their new sewing machines. The time has come, so go and check those out. You can see them online or in stores. They're $99.99 each. We are about to do days 19 and 20 of the Advent calendar. So without further ado, let's get started. do it. We have bells. This time it is, whoops, 2 bells. Red bow on the top. All right. And number 20. Sorry for the light reflection. Oh no, not another Santa. Say it ain't so. It's another Santa. Oh, how disappointing. We do not have a gnome. It's another Santa Claus. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh well, stay tuned for tomorrow for day 21. We only have a few more days left. This goes all the way up to day 24. So thank you all for sticking around to see each day of this Advent. Greatly appreciate you. I would like to say thank you so much for tuning in to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. Thank you for going along with me on the carousel ride and also doing this fun-filled shop hopping from store to store. You can shop online or you can go inside your local stores to get these wonderful deals. I am well on my way to 25K. Thank you so much for helping me to get closer to that goal. My ultimate goal is 100K. Thank you so much for all of your support. If you're a new subscriber, please consider turning that bell on, notification bell to all so you won't miss a notification. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button.